Greetings from National Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2024 Trax RS model. Beautiful condition, 13,000 miles. Has a large sunroof on top, backup camera, all the safety features. Really outstanding shape. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Super nice. Like new, 13,000 miles. All the toys, RS model. Super sporty. Really nice. Okay, let's take a close look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in outstanding condition. Take a look at that. Amazing shape. Look at the upper lights, lower lights. Outstanding shape. Grille's in beautiful condition. RS model. Very nice. Really amazing shape. Look at this. Beautiful condition. Take a close look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Looks amazing. Super clean throughout. Really outstanding shape. Very nice. Really amazing condition. All right, let's take a look at the front fender on the driver's side. Amazing shape. Nothing to show there. No dents or scratches. Let's take a close look. Really amazing condition. Super nice. This rubber piece here does have a couple little marks on here. Nothing major, but they're there. Besides, that's in beautiful condition. All right, let's take a look at the driver door. Driver door is in amazing shape. Close look here. Very nice. No dings, no scratches on it. Super clean. Very nice. Glass looks good. Look at the molding here. Very nice condition. Mirrors look good. They have the safety feature on there to show you the lane assist there when somebody's in the lane next to you. Really nice feature. Rear door on the driver's side, amazing condition. No scratches, no dents on it. Looks super clean. Very nice. Quarter panel here on the driver's side, amazing condition. Let's take a look at the light. Light's in beautiful shape. Looks really nice. Molding looked good all the way through. Very nice condition. Walking around the back here. Let's take a look at the rear bumper. Rear bumper does have a little mark here on the bottom. Little scratch here. Another little mark there. Besides that, looks very nice. I don't see anything else to show there. Another little mark right here and here. Rear hatch is in beautiful condition. Super clean. Brand new. Really outstanding shape. Very nice. Okay, let's take a look at the quarter panel on the passenger side. Beautiful condition throughout. Really amazing shape, super clean. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice. Really outstanding condition. Take a look at the front. Passenger side door, also in beautiful shape. Don't see any marks or anything to show there, super clean. Very nice. Take a look at this one, the mirror. Also has a safety feature on it. Take a look at that there. Very nice. Glass and moldings look really nice. Beautiful condition throughout. Really nice shape. Front fender on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. Outstanding shape. Very nice. All right, let's take a look at the glass. Glass looks good. Don't see any marks or anything on it. Looks super clean. No chips or scratches. Very nice condition. Up above here. Really nice shape on the roof. Take a look at the glass on the sunroof. Very nice condition. Let's give it a quick walk around. No dings, no scratches on the roof. Super clean. Very nice. Really outstanding shape. Okay, that pretty much concludes our walk around here. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we're going to take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. We're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at this, very nice shape. Look at that stitching there, it looks super sharp. Controls look good. Power locks, power mirrors, power windows. Armrest is in beautiful condition. A little bit of storage there on the door, looks very nice. Let's take a look at the RS mark here on the seats. It's got the little red on it. Looks super super sharp. Look at the stitching on there. Looks amazing. Very nice. Steering wheel, dashboard, everything looks brand new. Look at that. Really outstanding condition. Can't get any better than this. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panels in amazing condition. Really outstanding shape. Look at the controls there. Armrest, really nice. Storage in the pocket. Take a look at that stitching there. Really nice look. Very nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the front passenger seat. Really nice. Says RS there. Little labels everywhere. Looks super sharp. It's got the stitching perforated in the center. Really nice. Looks brand new. Really outstanding shape. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Super, super clean. Really outstanding shape. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Door panel's in amazing condition. Looks brand new. Take a look. Very nice shape. Look at the armrest, the controller for the power window. Very nice. A little bit of storage there on the door. Rear seats look amazing. Super, super clean. Very nice condition. Look at this. Really outstanding shape. Full set of floor mats. Looks amazing. Let's take a look here. A couple USBs here in the center. Take a look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful shape. Very nice. Really amazing condition all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, outstanding shape. Looks super clean. Take a look at the storage there in the door. Very nice. Rear seat on the passenger side. Really amazing condition. Super clean throughout. Very nice shape. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2024 Chevrolet Trax RS model. Super sporty. Okay, let's take a look at the key fob. So we have here lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. Key looks brand new. I'm gonna go ahead and set it down here. All you gotta do is press the brake and press the start button. So we're gonna do that. Press the brake, press the start button. Right there, start it up.
Hola, soy Laura.
Very nice. We bring the radio down there. Really amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features on this one. This one has the nice display because it's an RS model. So nice. Look at that display. Okay, so you can see there the miles are 13,090 miles. Shows you the RPMs. How cool. Look at that. Looks like a little fire, huh? Look, it goes up like that. Shows you miles per hour in the center. Shows you the gas. Really nice. Okay, then on the steering wheel here we have the cruise control. We have the collision alert. You can set the gap to be whatever you'd like. Heated steering wheel, nice feature there. Really nice. It's got the lane alert. So we'll go ahead and press that there, see if it shows it on top. See that little two little lines that pop up there? That's the lane alert, which is right here. It shows you the compass here in this corner. Super nice. I mean, really nice display. Really amazing. So this is the controller here. This is for the radio and for the display here on top. So this is really nice. It's got to speak your commands here. Your Bluetooth button there to hang up or whatever. Got front and rear wipers on this one. Turning signals. Working perfect. Okay. So this is super cool because it shows the phone on this side and it shows the radio on this side. So check it out. See that? You can scan through whatever station you want there. So we're going to put it on FM. And then if you're going to do something with the phone, there's no phone connected right now, but you'll be able to do that there through that controller. So that's a nice feature there. Let's take a look here. Also, down here you have some other buttons, which those actually control the radio station and the volume. This is the volume one on the right side, and this one's for the stations. I don't know if you can see it here or not. That'll change the stations for you. So that's really nice. So radio controls in the steering wheel. It has the controls for the for the feature of the Bluetooth. Automatic lights, really nice right there. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice. Let's take a look at this super nice screen in the center here. This is a large one because it's RS model. So it's definitely touchscreen. So right now we're on the music, which is that right there. You can put it on a phone. This is for the traction control. It's on right now. So let's go back again. Then here you go. You can go to climate if you like. Take a look at that. Nice. Some other features here. Then it tells you get fuel economy. It tells you trip computer there. Shows you the gauges. Battery voltage. Super nice to have that. It shows you the battery voltage, coolant temperature, maintenance, tire pressure sensors, oil life. This vehicle actually just had the oil changed, so that needs to be reset. You go back to home again. You got your hotspot there. If you look right here, you've got your heated seats here in the center. Really nice for you guys up north. We don't really use that down here in Florida, but super nice. All the controls, really nice shiny color. Down below here, USBs. You got a power plug here, a little cover on it, a little bit of storage there. And then inside here, whenever you place your phone here on this, it's a charging pad. So you place it on there, it starts charging. That's really nice. Super nice feature. Lane assist button. The automatic off and on. So you could turn that on. So bypass it. Otherwise, when the vehicle heats up and everything, when you're driving around, it might shut off or whatever to save fuel, like at the light or whatever. So that's super cool. You could bypass that if you want. You have your automatic transmission. This is for your, I believe, your manual shift modes here. Your brake release. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Look at this. Really nice. Let's take a look at the glove box inside. Got a full set of books in there. Amazing. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks brand new. Let's take a close look here. Very nice. Look at that. Really nice detail on these. It's got the red there. Super sharp. Really amazing condition. Look at the push button start there. Vents are really nice, large vents. Look at that. Steering wheel's in beautiful condition. It's got some perforated there. The bottom of it's really nice. Super sporty. Looks amazing. Take a look at the vents on this side. Really nice. Up above here, we have the OnStar buttons there. Airbag for the passenger is off right now because nobody's sitting there. Controls for the sunroof. Let's go ahead and check that out. There you go. Look at that. Perfect. Let's put it back. And I believe this one just to pop it up. Yes, it is. It just pops up, goes back down. Then this is manual again. Liners in beautiful condition. Looks brand new. No excuses here. Take a look. Look at the visors. Beautiful shape there. On this one. Also beautiful condition on this one. Super nice. Really impressive. Beautiful looking car inside and out. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive here. Let's go ahead and test this out. Super quick, very fast. Feels good. Really nice display on this one. It's an upgrade to the other ones. Because this is an RS2 package. So it's got the roof, it's got the upgraded entertainment, and the cluster's also upgraded. Drives super nice. Feels really smooth. Really nice and quick, super smooth. conclude the test drive, we're going to go ahead and check out the backup camera, show you how that works, and then that's it, pretty much it. So it's got a beautiful screen right here. We're going to put it in reverse. And look at that. You see that? As you turn side to side, it actually gives you a view of which way the vehicle is going to roll back, which is super nice. There you go. All the way back. Really, it's like HD. Look at that, HD. High definition screen there. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's our test drive. So stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look under the hood, take a look at the tires, and look at the cargo area in the back. Be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Looks really nice. Look at that, how clean it is. Beautiful condition. It's got this little cover here to cover your things. Nobody can see through the back window. Door looks amazing. Look at that. Very nice. Really beautiful shape. Now those seats there in the middle, they fold forward for more space if you need it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the spare tire. It's got the license plate holder for the front, spare tire with all the tools beneath it. You can see the jack down there. Beautiful shape, super, super clean, really outstanding condition. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean, looks amazing, looks brand new. Very nice condition, super clean throughout. Really nice, look at this. Beautiful condition all the way through. Really amazing shape. Okay, amazing condition on the driver's side. Tire, look at this. Tire's brand new, very nice. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Really amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Look at that tire, brand new condition, very nice shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Take a look there. Very nice. Super, super clean. Looks brand new. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the passenger side, tire looks brand new. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Very nice. It does have a small little mark here and here. But besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Let's take a close look. Really amazing shape. Can't get any better than that. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing condition. Looks brand new. Look at this. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Let's take a close look here. Very nice. Look at this. 2024, 13,000 miles. Almost brand new tires. Very nice condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2024 loaded up Chevrolet Trax RS model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really in outstanding shape. It's got about 13,000 miles in it. Sunroof, all the toys, really outstanding shape. Beautiful condition inside and out, super, super clean. Leather interior, sunroof, all the toys. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. National Auto Sale LLC.com. Thanks for watching.